Hey guys, this is Sandy Girl with the Grill, and today we're doing Asian stir fry on the Weber kettle. Let's go. Alright, so let's go through the ingredients on my Asian stir fry tonight. I love Asian food. There's typically a lot of ingredients that go into an Asian stir fry, but it all works, it all comes together, and it's so delicious. It's fast, it's easy, it's healthy, and it's so delicious. So let's go through these ingredients. So what we've got is, I've got 1.5 pounds of sirloin steak. Typically you use flank, okay, but I'm using sirloin. It's a very tender cut of meat that I've cut in 1/4 inch slices and salt and peppered them, okay. Green beans, we used a 3/4 pound of green beans, which I parboiled these for 5 to 6 minutes and then put them in an ice bath to quit the cooking process. And that way you will have tender, crisp green beans that will just come together with your meal, but they won't be raw, okay? So we've got soy sauce. We have a jalapeno that's finely minced. We have canola oil for stir frying. We have 5 cloves of garlic that I minced. We have a teaspoon of fish sauce. We have freshly grated ginger, and ginger makes the Asian. It's just, oh, so good. And then one lime squeezed, okay? And then here, we're gonna top it off when it's done with some scallions and chives. We've got fresh grated lemon zest and sesame seeds, and I'm gonna serve this meal tonight over brown steamed rice. So let's get started with this gorgeous meal. All right, as you can see, we have a very snowy day in New Mexico, but it's not gonna keep me from cooking on my grill, okay? So tonight we are doing an Asian stir fry. I prepared my grill. It is 425 degrees. I would prefer it a little hotter, but we're gonna go with this, okay? Because it is snowing. All right, so I want to let you know that I bought, and the wok insert that you can get, this is an upgrade. I absolutely love this. So, and I know you will too. You can get this at your favorite barbecue store or on Amazon or whatever, but it's an amazing addition. So right now we're going to stir fry half of our steak. And we're gonna heat up about a tablespoon of oil, and look at that. That's freaking amazing. So we know our wok is ready. All right, so I'm just gonna let it sizzle for just a second. And then I'm gonna add my beef. I'm going to try and keep the lid closed. Let that go for about 20 seconds, and then we're going to stir it and flip it, and then we're going to do our meat in batches. Another 5-10 seconds on this batch, and then we're going to put it in our bowl. Okay guys, I'm braving the elements here. So we have to eat. that go another 20 seconds. All right, we're gonna remove the rest of our beef. The rest of the oil, we're gonna do our green beans, which we parboiled. We're gonna do our ginger. We're gonna do our garlic. We're gonna do our jalapeno. Ooh, let's get all that in there. We're gonna stir fry that for just a minute. We've got a really hot fire. It's just amazing what this wok does. And we're gonna let those aromatics just open up and release all that flavor from the ginger and the garlic and the jalapenos. I'll put the recipe down below in the description. You have to try this. We're gonna let that cook for just a minute. This whole meal, besides prep, takes about less than 10 minutes to do. And it's wonderful. That's looking really good. So now I'm going to add my steak back in and all of its juice. I'm going to add my soy sauce, my lime juice, my fish sauce. Use my big spoon here. And that's all she wrote. That's all there is to this wonderful meal. All right, guys, it is off the grill in our snowy winter wonderland that we're experiencing in New Mexico, but we still produced an amazing meal. This is hot and spicy and wonderful. Oh my God, it smells so good. I have steamed some brown rice, and we're just going to scoop it over our brown rice and get all that wonderful juice out of there. Oh my gosh. Fast, easy, healthy. And I have chopped some scallions and some chives. We're gonna put that right over it. We have some zested lemon. And we have some sesame seeds. Oh my God, isn't this freaking gorgeous? Okay, and a little bit of soy sauce. Here is our beautiful Asian stir fry for tonight. So I've got the sirloin steak, the steamed brown rice, the green beans, the fresh ginger, lemon zest, the soy sauce. I gotta grab a piece of that steak. Oh my God, that's fabulous. This is so good. Fast, easy, healthy, comforting on a snowy night in New Mexico. Oh my God, this is delicious. I'll put the recipe down below. Thank you for watching Girl with the Grill. Always appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I can't wait to eat this. Thank you for watching Girl with the Grill. I appreciate it so much. Like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Thank you so much for joining me.
See you next week.
So good. Thank you so much for joining me, and have the most amazing night. Catch you later. Bye. Really, the meal.
Oh, shit.